What's up guys, Stevie J with Beyond the Details here again with another unboxing / review for you. Or should I say, this is my first real product review with a real dedicated camera with very good quality. What I'm going to be unboxing for you is the Blue Yeti Nano. I have a couple product reviews in this installation. It's going to be this. I have the Black Widow Elite and then the HD60 Elgato capture card and a few other things. But I just want to introduce myself to the YouTube world. I'm very excited and hopefully you guys see more of me. I own a detailing business, but I also will be doing video game streaming and product unboxing and reviewing. Okay, time to open it up. We're gonna go ahead and see what's inside. See what they give you. Yeah. Try to do little to no editing. I just want you guys to see real world. You know, if you go and buy this, you know, what am I getting? There's a lot of great reviewers out there, but it's really flashy with the just let me zoom in with the music playing, and sometimes you're just like, I just want to see what's inside. So first off, feel something here. Let's see what it is. Okay. Comes sealed here. I'll go ahead and open it up. Alright. Again, this is the Blue Yeti Nano. I was going to get the full size, but by looking at reviews and seeing that pretty much everyone's saying it sounds nearly as good as the original, I decided to go with this. So here you get your... No one cares about this stuff, so I'll put this to the side. Here you have your... it looks like it's a USB. It's not a Type-C. I don't know why, but hey, whatever. And then here is the base and the microphone, which is okay. And pretty much that with a adapter here, which looks like it is a, what is this? Okay. This is a 5/8 adapter, which is good. I'm not a very mic savvy guy, but I know this would be a very good adapter to put on the bottom here. And then this right here is a 1/4 inch threaded mount. You have your USB, which is that cable that I showed you, which I put to the side, excuse me. You have your USB, and then you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. Immediately I noticed about the mic is it feels amazing in my hand. It feels sturdy, especially the mount. Majority of the heft has majority of the heft of it, of the weight of it, excuse me, has to do with the actual mount. It's very sturdy. Feels good in hand. Can you hear that? Well, there you have it guys, the Blue Yeti Nano mic. Sorry. Again, majority, this is very hefty, feels very high quality. Again, the bottom side. And yeah, now that we went ahead and got this unboxed, I'm going to go ahead and hook it up, get everything connected. And in this video, I'm actually going to try to do a real life demonstration on the difference in quality. I'm not going to go and, you know, really get in depth about the specifications as far as what the microphone is capable of doing as far as frequency ranges and whatnot. Because in my reviews, I want to be more down to earth, more simple, more kind of dumbed down, I guess you can say. Not necessarily, but just easier. You know, someone like my mother who's not very versed in technology, I want her to be able to say, hey, my son wants a mic, and she might just come across this video and watch it and be like, wow, well, that was pretty simple, and I want to get that microphone, or I don't want to get that microphone. So yeah, it's only $100, and we're gonna go from there. So Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll have more videos to come. My video quality and the graphics and just everything is going to improve drastically as each video progresses. I'm literally teaching myself how to do video editing and everything from scratch. So be patient with me, and I love you guys, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace. How you doing? This is Stevie J here with Beyond the Details with a brief demonstration of the audio quality of the blue Yeti Nano. Right now I'm about 6 inches or so away from the mic. Just want to test the quality of speaking at regular tone. Now, how do I sound? I'm about a foot and a half away from the mic. How does the quality sound? Now, I'm about 2 feet from the mic. How does the quality sound? Let me know what you guys think. Drop it down in the comment section. And again, peace and love. Thanks, guys.